Hey guys, what's up? It's Joseph the Realtor and welcome back to my channel. If you're a first-time subscriber, please make sure you share this video or share my channel with people that you know who are looking to buy or sell real estate in New Jersey. I feel like there's not that many educated realtors making videos specifically about New Jersey. I feel like a lot of people are kind of just hiring whoever calls them or family members with no experience. So I urge you, if you're watching this video, share it because experience, skill, all that asbestos in the house. Experience and skill matters when you're buying or selling a home in New Jersey. I also give free property valuations, so please make sure you reach out to me if you have a home you want to sell and you're curious to know how to squeeze the most equity out of it when you're selling it. Okay, let's dive into this house. This is a 3-family house in Essex County. It's a 3-family, and the previous owner actually had the basement with a separate entrance rented illegally. So I sold this to my client for $751,000. It's a legal 3 with an active green card from the state of New Jersey, and there's a basement bonus. So what we're gonna do is renovate the first floor and the basement together and combine them to make them one unit. And what we're gonna do with the second floor is we're gonna gut renovate it. It's also a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. We're gonna gut renovate it, and we're gonna try to rent out the first floor and basement with a parking and a garage for $3,500. It's gonna have laundry, it's gonna have central air, it's gonna be a beautiful unit. And then the second floor is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath with parking, laundry, central air. We're gonna try to get $2,200. Maybe by the time we're done, we could squeeze a little bit more, but time will tell. So, and then the third floor of this house is also a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. We inherited a tenant that was paying $1,600, and what we did for that tenant is they were on a month-to-month lease. So instead of increasing the rent, we were a little bit smart and we decided to lower their rent to $1,500 and give them a lease. This way they can kind of deal with the renovations because it's going to take some time to renovate this house. So the reason we did that is because the renovation process can be a nightmare. So a tenant living through that nightmare it's tough. So we're going to give them a little bit of a break in the rent, sign a new lease, and kind of keep somebody paying the rent while we go through this renovation process so we don't have a totally empty house. And it's a top floor, so at the end of the day, when we do go to renovate that floor, it's going to be much easier. You know, you could throw stuff out the window into the dumpster, and bringing stuff in is a lot easier. Stay tuned for more. This is just the intro video of this series. I'm going to constantly be giving you guys updates in regards to framing, electrical, plumbing, the cost of everything. I'll touch on the cost right now. So far, we acquired the property for $751,000, and we spent $10,000 gutting the first floor, the second floor, and the basement, and all the windows. And also, there's some debris around the house. We got rid of that. That's $10,000, and we put a credit card on file with the dumpster company. I don't know how many dumpsters we're going to need just yet. I'll let you know at the end of the project. But these dumpsters are about $500 a piece each time you fill them, depending on how heavy they are. There was also a tree on the side of the property growing into the foundation, so we cut that tree down, $3,000. There was some trees around it too. Ground it to the stump, so that tree is gone, and that's where we're at so far. Something that you guys should know, when you have an older house, this is a 1920s build, some of the plumbing and electrical and everything is super old. And the reason the demo is so expensive is because it's a hand demo versus knocking down a whole house. When you're hand demoing, we're keeping the structure because it's a brick structure. It's a fantastic structure. This house is brick front to back, which is why I loved it and I sold it to my client. So basically, the third floor tenant has really old plumbing. And when we did the gut so far, this is like day 4 of the gut, some of the plumbing was brass, and brass is very brittle. So when you have an older house that's 1920s, there tends to be like 2, 3, 4 layers of ceiling, let alone wall. So when we took down all those ceilings, we found out the ceilings are much higher. However, the brass plumbing kind of dropped, and when brass drops like that, it's very brittle and it cracks and it causes leaks. So we had to shut off the water. So we actually put the tenant in a hotel for 2 weeks while we get the plumbing repaired under his unit, the 3rd floor unit, and then we're eventually going to do the plumbing for the whole house. So stay tuned. I hope I didn't vomit too much information. This is just an intro video. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned because this is a really cool project for anybody interested in investing in New Jersey. And like I said, if you're curious to know what your home is worth, please share this video and like and subscribe. I know I said that like 100 times. Leave comments with questions as well. I'm going to answer all your questions. I promise. So Joseph Aziz Real Estate, Joe NJ Realtor on Instagram. Stay tuned for more, guys. And again, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.